Hi class, today we're going to estimate. Making a thoughtful guess or a good guess is estimating or an estimation. So here are the words that you will hear when you make a thoughtful guess: estimate, estimating, or an estimation, right? Some key words that we will use when we're estimating or making an estimate: about, fewer, exact, more, much too high, or much too low. So let's get started. Here in the picture, the boy is estimating how many balls are in the jar. Now, estimating is not counting. Estimating is making a thoughtful guess or a good guess. So I have some containers and we're going to make some estimates. So here I have a cap. And in the cap, this is going to be our reference cap, so we can compare it to another amount. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 googly eyes, right? So we know the exact number there. That's not estimating. I counted, right? And I'm going to show you another cap. And the cap that I show you, you're going to have to make a good guess. So I'm going to show you quickly and I'm going to cover, because I don't want you to count. I want you to make a thoughtful guess. So here we know there are 5. Right, so that's something we have this to compare to, our reference. So here is the cap that I'm going to show you, right? I'm going to cover it. I'm going to quickly show you. Okay, so you have to make a thoughtful guess. So what I want you to do right now is grab a pencil and a paper. I'm going to use my whiteboard. And we're going to write E for estimate. And we're going to write the number that we think it is. So I'm going to show you it one more time, right? I'm going to show you the cap one more time. Here we go. Okay, how many googly eyes do you think are in the cap? Right, I want you to write your estimate next to the letter E. One more time. Right, remember, estimating is not counting. It's a thoughtful guess or a good guess. All right, my guess is if this is 5, right, I'm going to say maybe 9, right? Maybe 9. So that's my guess, right? And now I want you to write the letter R, because now we're going to find out the real answer. So I guessed my estimate was 9. I didn't count it. I don't know. But I just looked at the reference cap and said, well, this looks like there's more, right? So let's count. Maybe I should dump it out. Let me dump it out. Try to figure out which would be a better way to count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the real answer is 10. So was my estimate close? Yeah, 9 is close to 10. So that's a good estimate. It wasn't too far off. It was close to the actual answer, right? So my estimate was 9 and the real answer is 10. Now, if I would have said 100, right? 100, that'd be much too high, right? Or if I would have said 1, that would be much too low. All right, let's try a different. So here I have a bag of crayons, and this is going to be our reference bag. So I know that there are 5. I counted them, right? Counting is not estimating. Estimating is making a thoughtful guess or a good guess. So here are 5. I'm going to use this as a reference to compare it to the bag that we're going to estimate. So here we go. So there are 5 crayons in this bag, right? So here's the bag that we're going to estimate. Remember, estimating's not counting. So what I want you to do, I'm going to show you really quick. All right, and I'm going to pull it away. And I want you to write an E for estimate. Estimate. So let's write our estimate. If this is 5, and this is our reference, right? And here's the bag that we're going to estimate, right? Now, are there more or fewer? Are there more or fewer? Looks like there's more. So I'm gonna say 8. My estimate is 8. I want you to write your estimate. Now you don't have to choose my answer because I don't know the answer. I just threw some crayons in the bag and I'm taking a good, thoughtful guess. So I don't know if my answer is correct. I'm just making a guess. Now I want you to write the letter R for the real answer. So we're going to see if we were close, if our estimate was close. So here we go. Actually, I can count it in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the real answer is 7. Is 8 close to 7? Yes, it's just one more. So I was off by 1. That's a good estimate. I'm close to the real answer. I made a thoughtful, good guess. All right, let's try another. So here I have pom-poms inside a cap, and there are 10 here. There are 10 pom-poms in the cap. Remember counting. It's not estimating. I'm just letting you know. This is our reference. We're going to compare it to the cap that we're going to estimate. So here we go. Here's what we're going to estimate. So let's just look really quickly. Are there more or fewer? More or fewer than the reference? I can see that there's more, right? So we know that the number is going to be higher than 10, right? When we're making a good guess, we're like, well, if this is 10 and this is more, I know my answer is more than 10. So, all right, grab out your pen, grab your pencil and your paper. We're going to write E for estimate. Now, quickly, take a guess. Make a thoughtful, good guess. I'm going to go with, I don't know, 15. Let's see. I don't know. You write your estimate. Okay, now let's count and let's see if our real answer is close to our estimate. So I'm going to pour it out. Okay, and then I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I had the exact answer. My estimate was exact. So write your R for real, right? And I guess 15, right? My estimate, my thoughtful guess, okay, was 15. And the answer was 15. So I had the exact amount. I guess the exact amount. And if you chose 14, that's a good guess. If you chose 16, that's a good guess, right? It's close. Even 17 would be close, okay? All right, let's try another. So here I have a cup and it's filled with shells. Remember, this is our reference. I know how many is in here. There are 10 shells in this cup. There are 10. So this is our reference. All right, and now we're going to estimate. We're going to make a thoughtful guess. And this cup, now I don't know how many, right? So if we look, here is 10. And here we have to make an estimate. Now let's by looking, are there more or fewer? Right? Less is fewer. Here's 10. Are there more than 10 or fewer than 10? Right? We're not going to count. We're just making a thoughtful guess. To me, it looks as though there are more. So we know that the answer is going to be more than 10, right? So we're not going to pick 7 or 5 because that wouldn't be a good estimate, right? Because we can just look with our eye and see that there are more. So grab your pencil. We're going to write E for estimate. All right, let me make a guess. I'm going to quickly look. 17. That's my estimate. You choose one. All right, now let's find out. Let's spell them out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so the real answer is 20. Oops. So let's write an R for real, and the real answer, or the exact amount, is 20. And I estimated that there was 17. Now 17 is close to 20. If you chose 21 or 22 or 19 or 16, it's still close. Okay, so that's a good, thoughtful guess. A guess that would be much too high would be, say, 50. That would be much too high. Or an answer like 11, right, would be, well, maybe like 6 would be much too low, because we already knew that it was more than 10. So today we learned how to estimate, right? Other terms: estimating, estimation, making a thoughtful guess.